Hello students, welcome to my channel Science No Problem. My name is Tish Kumar Sharma and I am teaching you science. So my dear students, like our previous videos, this video is also going to be very informative and very useful. So please watch the video till end and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel to motivate and support me so as to bring you far more useful and far more interesting videos in future as well. So my dear students, without wasting any time, let's start our today's video. So my dear students, as you know very well that we have started a series of MCQs. So the chapter which we have started is reproduction, and today's video is going to be the third video of this chapter. So my dear students, please watch the video till end. The first question which we have taken is in Spirogyra, asexual reproduction takes place by, first option is division of a cell into two cells, second option is breaking up of filaments into smaller pieces, C is division of a cell into many cells, and D is formation of large number of buds. So my dear students, here the correct option is B, that is breaking up of filaments into smaller pieces. So what happens that in Spirogyra during asexual reproduction, what happens that breaking of filaments into smaller pieces takes place. So please remember this. Question number 2, the ability of a cell to divide into several cells during reproduction in Plasmodium is called, first option is budding, second is fragmentation, C is binary fission, and D is multiple fission. So my dear students, here the correct option is D, that is multiple fission. So my dear students, always remember that actually in Plasmodium during reproduction, what happens, a cell divides into several cells, and this process is called multiple fission. So please remember this. Question number 3, in Rhizopus fungus, the fine thread-like structures spreading on the whole surface of slice of bread are called, first option is rhizoids, B is stems, C is roots, and D is hyphae. Pronunciation is hyphae. So my dear students, hyphae, D is the correct option. So please remember this, that in Rhizopus fungus, fine thread-like structures spreading on the whole surface of slice of bread are called hyphae. So please remember this. My dear students, our next question is question number 4. Vegetative propagation refers to the formation of new plants from the following existing organs of the old plants. First option is stems, roots and flowers. B is stems, roots and leaves. C is stems, fruits and flowers. D is stems, leaves and flowers. So my dear students, always remember that in vegetative propagation or in vegetative reproduction, new plants grow from, always remember, stems, roots and leaves of the old plant. Please remember that in vegetative propagation, fruits and flowers of old plant do not take part. So please remember this. So B is the correct option. Stems, roots and leaves. Only these three things take part in reproduction in vegetative propagation. Question number 5. The two organisms which can regenerate fully from their cut body parts are, first option is paramecium and hydra. B is hydra and amoeba. C is planaria and leishmania. D is hydra and planaria. So my dear students, always remember that the two organisms which can regenerate fully from their cut body parts are hydra and planaria. So please remember this. Actually, this is called reproduction. So in regeneration reproduction, what happens that new organisms actually develop from cut body parts of old organism. Question number 6. The two types of organisms which produce colonies by the process of budding are, first option is hydra and corals, B is yeast and sponges, C is corals and sponges, and D is hydra and yeast. So my dear students, here the correct option is corals and sponges. So these two types of organisms, that is corals and sponges, produce colonies by the process of budding. So please remember this. My dear students, our next question is question number 7. Spore formation is the most common asexual method of reproduction in, first option is protozoa, second is tubers, third is fungi, and fourth is algae. So my dear students, always remember that spore formation actually is a very common asexual method of reproduction in fungi. So please remember this. C is the correct option. Question number 8. An alga which reproduces by the asexual reproduction method called fragmentation is, first option is rhizopus, second is salmonella, C is plasmodium, and D is spirogyra. So my dear students, always remember that alga which reproduces by the asexual reproduction method called fragmentation is spirogyra. So D is the correct option. Question number 9, last question but not the least. The organisms which can reproduce by fragmentation are, first option is corals and sponges, B is corals and spirogyra, C is anemone, this is anemone and spirogyra, D is sponges and C anemone. So my dear students, here please remember that the organisms which can reproduce by fragmentation are C anemone and spirogyra. So C is the correct option. So my dear students, this is all for today. I hope that you understood all the questions which we have discussed in today's video. So if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. Keep watching our channel, keep learning and keep growing. Good luck.